Before starting your career as a digital marketer, if you are getting worried that digital marketing is tough for freelancing or it is difficult, then maybe a lot of people are not making significant income or freelancers are getting scammed by the client. These are somehow maybe holding us back to kickstart our career as a digital marketer. So today I would like to give you the very honest answer, because I know you have to pay your bills and rent. So let's just pin some points here. Why some people are failing in this career. I'm 3 years experience in this digital marketing. I also started my career from a different background. So digital marketing is not tough. Definitely, you just have to figure out the skill that suits your personality. Like if you love writing and explaining things, content writing is best for you. If you love trying out the new features, then social media marketing is good for you. If you love analytics and data, maybe SEO or performance marketing is going to be the right choice for you. So figure out the right digital marketing skill first. And if people are not making decent amount, then they are offering management services in a very generalized manner. But if you really want to become an expert and earn 3 times more, you really have to offer the market an expert skill. Well, it can also be the another reason that freelancers are not presenting them professionally, they are not onboarding them professionally, so they are getting scammed. So follow the right procedure. You can conquer your profitable career in digital marketing. If you want to get equipped with the right skill and strategy, for that you need to read the caption.